Hi, my name is Phil Balfanz, and I'm a Senior Systems Engineer at VMware. I've worked on Hands-on Lab 2146 this year, which is our VMware Cloud Foundation lab. VMware Cloud Foundation allows us to deploy the software-defined data center very quickly and consistently across all environments. It leverages our core tools like vSphere, NSX, vSAN, as well as the vRealize suite to provide the software-defined data center to your environment. With VCF, cloud admins can get the ability to deploy the software-defined data center, manage and maintain it through lifecycle management, and run the software-defined data center in an easy way that allows them to spend less time managing the data center and more time leveraging it and providing new services. In this lab, we go through how to quickly deploy and maintain a software-defined data center using the SDDC Manager, which is the core component to VMware Cloud Foundation. We go through building the workload domains, adding clusters and adding hosts to the workload domains, and then we go through a full lifecycle management where we do a pre-check, verify the environment, deploy new patches to the environment, and then verify that it all went through correctly, showing you exactly how a lifecycle management event would work in the Cloud Foundation lab. The unique thing about Cloud Foundation lab is that it's the largest lab, and it allows you to experience Cloud Foundation in an actual environment where you can play with the different settings. You can actually go through all these different pieces that you probably wouldn't be able to in your own environment. So it allows you to get access to the software and try it out uniquely in this environment. In addition to going through those pieces, we also go through some additional admin functions like replacing certificates and password rotation. So you can really see how this tool can be leveraged in your environment to allow you to free up some of your time to work on other things and provide new services in your environment. I hope you come check out the HOL-2146. We had a great time creating it, and I look forward to getting your feedback from it. Have a good day.